Welcome to episode 19, Empathy and Victim Awareness of Domestic Violence series. Here are 3 facts you need to know not just about couples or marriage, but about friendships, families, and even workplace relationships. Because abuse is about power and control, and that can happen anywhere. Fact number 1. Victims often live in daily fear, even when you don't see it. According to the CDC's National Intimate Partner and Sexual Violence Survey, 1 in 4 women and 1 in 7 men experience severe physical violence in their lifetime. But physical harm is only part of the story. The National Coalition Against Domestic Violence reports that psychological aggression and coercive control are even more common. Many victims wake up each day calculating their words, adjusting their tone, and managing someone else's emotions just to avoid conflict. What looks like silence is often survival. Fact number 2. Trauma changes how the brain responds. Research from Harvard Medical School and other trauma studies shows that chronic abuse and stress can alter how the brain processes danger. This is why someone may seem withdrawn, overly cautious. They're not weak, their nervous system is in protection mode. And this can happen in any relationship where intimidation, humiliation, or control exists, not just romantic ones. Fact number 3. Empathy starts with role reversal. Pause and ask yourself, if I had to walk on eggshells every day, if I feared emotional retaliation for setting boundaries, if I felt isolated or constantly criticized, how would I behave? Research from the University of Michigan on empathy shows that perspective taking reduces victim blaming and increases compassionate action. Before we judge someone's response, we must understand their reality. Here are 3 things you can do today. First, listen without minimizing or correcting their experience. Second, educate yourself on the signs of coercive control. Not all abuse is physical. Third, become a safe and steady presence. Belief and validation can be life-changing. Seeing through her eyes or his eyes isn't about choosing sides. It's about choosing awareness. And awareness is where empathy begins.
Hey, don't forget to hit subscribe for more practical self-help tips. If you'd like to reach out, visit absbehavioralhealth.com or absmentalhealth.com. Take care and keep growing.